Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel. Today we're going to show you how to make lasagna that is so easy, and it's great to make with kids as well. Lasagna looks and tastes so good that you might think it's hard to make. And if you're a beginner, you don't have to worry about messing up. To start with, preheat your oven to 400 degrees so it can warm up while you put the lasagna together. Get a 9x13 pan and gather all of your ingredients. Be sure to have the meat cooked ahead of time. Put a little bit of sauce on the bottom of the pan. Get 3 to 4 lasagna noodles and lay them on top of the sauce that you had just put on the bottom of the pan. You don't have to cook the lasagna noodles before you use them. Just take them out of the package and put them right into your pan. Then put the meat on next. It doesn't matter whether you use Italian sausage or if you use ground beef. Either one will work. Just make sure your meat is cooked ahead of time. What if you put things in the wrong order? Well, it doesn't matter. It'll still turn out great if you get mixed up. So don't be stressed about this recipe. After the meat, put some ricotta cheese or cottage cheese on top. Doesn't matter which one you choose. Most people choose ricotta cheese because it's smooth and looks more appetizing than cottage cheese does when mixed with a marinara sauce. Next, put on some shredded mozzarella or an Italian blend cheese. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top if you'd like as well. Last, put the sauce on top of everything. That's all you do for the first layer. Then you start over with the noodles and repeat with the layers until it gets close to the top. It usually takes about 3 layers. Don't try to put too much in the pan or it will bubble over and spill in the oven. Finish up by putting some extra noodles on top and some sauce over it. Cover the pan tightly with foil and bake in a hot oven at 400 degrees for about an hour. Take it out of the oven and sprinkle some mozzarella cheese and maybe a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top, and then put it back in the oven uncovered for about 15 minutes until the cheese melts. When that is done, take it out and let it cool before eating. That's all there is to making lasagna. Now remember, if you get mixed up and put things on out of order or put too much on one layer, that's okay. It will still taste great. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe.